Tourism today, Bahamas tourism today.
On September 1st, 2019, Hurricane Dorian smashed through the islands of Abaco and Grand Bahama, leaving both islands completely devastated. With countless displaced, our regional counterparts have united together to assist the Bahamas in relief efforts for both islands. President of the Red Cross Association, Therese Curry, tells us more.
The Rebuild and Unite concert was the brainchild of some artisans that are in Trinidad, and they have been working with Visage and some other Bahamian artists to put on a concert on September 22nd for the hurricane relief.
Curry said the Red Cross and many Bahamian organizations are chipping in to make this event as successful as possible.
We are helping to advertise the event for them and to spread the word. The event will also be done live in conjunction with the Trinidad television station TIAG and Alive Cable Bahamas will be bringing the concert live. So you can be as if you are just right there having yourself a great time, and you can then contribute whatever you wish, as little or as great an amount that you want to donate.
With the livelihood of these individuals being disrupted, Curry said it is incumbent for all of us to give as much as we can.
Then any donation that's given will be appreciated. You can donate through this concert on the 22nd, or you can donate online to the Red Cross's website at bahamasredcross.org.
The Rebuild and Unite concert, slated for September 22nd in Trinidad and Tobago, will feature artists such as Julian Believe, Visage Band, Wendy and Dyson Knight, Destra, Kestaban, and many more. For more information, visit thebahamasredcross.org. I'm Joshua Robbins, reporting for Tourism Today.